Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check your battery health on a Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Play Store on your Pixel device. Once you're in the Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top and type in A battery, then hit search. This is a free app that provides detailed information about your battery's current condition and helps you understand how well it's holding up over time. After you've found the A battery app in the search results, tap on it to open the app page, then click the Install button. The app is lightweight and will only take a few seconds to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an open button appear. Go ahead and tap it to launch the app for the first time. When the app opens, you'll immediately see a section labeled Health Info displayed on your screen. This is the key indicator that shows your battery's current health status. The app uses specific categories to rate your battery condition, making it easy to understand at a glance how your battery is performing. Now, let's break down what each health rating means. If your battery health shows as excellent or like new, that means your battery is operating at 90 to 100% of its original capacity. This is the ideal range and indicates your battery is still in great shape with minimal degradation. If you see good or normal, your battery health is sitting between 80 and 89%. This is still a healthy range, though your battery has experienced some natural wear over time. You should still get solid performance and decent battery life at this level. When the app displays fair or degraded, your battery health has dropped to the 70 to 79% range. At this point, you might start noticing shorter battery life and your phone may not last as long on a single charge as it used to. It's not critical yet, but it's something to keep an eye on. Finally, if your battery health reads poor or need replacement, it's fallen below 70% capacity. This means your battery has significantly degraded and you'll likely experience noticeably reduced battery life. At this stage, you might want to consider getting your battery replaced to restore your phone's performance. And that's it. You've now checked your Google Pixel's battery health and know exactly what condition it's in. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.